give me 1 sec. Action.
Look on the screen now, David sits around horror films and screams, sci-fi dreams, cooking up some fight in the kitchen light, knife skills so precise, making spooky rice. David's at the killer chef, whipping up terror with zest. Movies and meals collide, horror flavors on the side, chopping fear with flair, monsters everywhere, gory scenes so bright, dine and fright.
Okay.
Here we honor our most esteemed films of the past by eight. Okay. Wait, sorry guys, just give me 1 second.
No, you're good, you're good. Slow it down a little bit. You're like kind of like rushing to get going.
Well, because I'm trying to get through while aiming to, sorry.
Lost contact and essentially missing. That's good. That worked.
This takes succulent chicken tenderloins. Sigourney Weaver, Siggy, as she's known to her friends, changed her name at a young age from Susan, who she thought was more appropriate for her height. And of course, it starred in many mega blockbuster franchises, such as, such as Avatar, Star Wars, Ghostbusters, and of course, Aliens. Sigourney Weaver has been married to stage director? Yeah. The movie won an Academy Award in 1987 for Best Special Effect. No, About 2 weeks ago, after a fucking hellish night of closing, and the fucking car wouldn't start. That Reebok, for the film, released a shoe called the this knife scene, built pack. Wait, something on my tongue. What the hell? Ah! That won't come off! Oh my god, it's glued to my tongue! What the hell? Before filming the infamous knife scene, Bill had a quarter cup of mayo, dried mustard powder, dried... oh shit. There we go. Alright, we brew about 3 cups of dark coffee. Okay.
Action.
Brew about 3 cups of coffee.
Black coffee.
Black coffee.
Action.
Sorry. Okay. Brew about 3 cups of black coffee.
Action.
On movie marathon night, you find it hard to get through the last movie. This isn't going to cut it.
Action.
Once the flask is filled, the concoction is mixed. We have to do that again.
Action. Look into the camera. Look into the camera. Keep going. Keep going. Keep speaking.
Many other people involved in this trilogy were...
You got it? You want to go
Wait.
for a drive?
Do it. Now that the steak has reached 130 degrees, we're ready to pre-sear. No, not.
That's okay. We can try again.
Ready to reverse. Take control of your viewing experience by... Should I still go?
Yes.
Or take it at your own pace. Thanks for joining us again. We hope we have fulfilled your film. That's better. Two weeks ago, after a fucking hellish night of closing, and the fucking car wouldn't start.